Hello, my name is Dr. Jeff Engelbaldo, and I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon serving the Dallas area. The SmartGraft system is a state-of-the-art system that provides long-lasting, permanent hair transplantation results. We have been offering SmartGraft at our practice for over 6 years. Prior to this, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, we were actually removing big hair strips, leading to big donor scars in the back of the head. We're actually removing small micrografts. Small, little, tiny follicular units are being removed. So when someone heals within 2 to 5 days, there's very minimal to no scarring. The cost of a hair transplantation varies on the amount of micrografts being transplanted. In general, the cost will vary from between $6,000 to about $12,000 to $15,000, depending on how many micrografts are being transplanted. One of the biggest things I've ever done for me medically was hair transplantation. And for 20 years, I wasn't combing my hair back. I was just cutting it short and combing it forward. So 10 months after the surgery, I was so pleased I was able to comb my hair backwards, gel it up, and it looks fantastic. It's been 5 years since the transplant. Feel free to look at our website at drplanohair.com to see more of our before and afters and for more information.